Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Dayton, Ohio to the Proto BuildBar. Here you can have a beer, build some really cool electronics, and play the world's largest claw machine. Let's check it out. Our adventure starts here. Since this is a creator space, they have portraits of creators like Henry Ford and Nikola Tesla. And here's a photo of Alexander Graham Bell, the man responsible for all the robocalls you receive. One of the services they offer is 3D printing. You can pick an image online and then they print it for you. And they charge about $10 an hour for the piece. So the larger the piece, the longer the time it takes to print it. Here's an example of an image being online available to print. Here's the beginning stages of a 3D printing. Here are some of the finished pieces they've printed. This is Buddha Fett. This is Boba Fett's head on a Buddha's body. Here's my personal favorite, the Shrek Buddha. Here's a really nice one of a cat with her kitten. This is a really cool one. This has two pieces of different colors. I've never seen anything like this one before. This is a really cool dinosaur skeleton. It's pretty cool. This wire cat was created with a 3D printer. This is the filament that is fed into the 3D printer that makes the items that you've seen. Here's the bar where you can get coffee or beer and even tequila. And they have a very nice lounging area. Oh man, foiled again. Since this is a creator space, it's only appropriate their wallpaper consists of patents. If you want to test your fighting skills, you can have Tesla versus Edison. This has got to be the coolest arcade game I have ever seen. This is a creator's nirvana. Look at the chess set made out of 3D printed pieces. And here is the world's largest claw machine, a Guinness World Record holder. This machine comprises of 1.5 wheelchairs, a ton of steel, 900 feet of wire, and 4 cameras. Originally, this was a game that could be played from your computer, and over 150 countries participated. And anything you were able to grab and pick up and put in the slot, you won, and they would ship it to you. Look at the size of the joystick. And if electronics is your interest, they have a building station for that. And they also have where you can buy components. This TV sculpture reminds me of Non-June Paik. That was a very cool and very unique place. And if I ever get a day available where I don't have to vlog, I'm going to come up here and build something and get a Shrek Buddha. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And be sure to click the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you know when I have a new video. If you already subscribed and you have a friend who might like my channel, ask them to join us. Until next time, this is Cashew signing off. Personally, I'm rooting for Tesla. Unlike Edison, Tesla never filmed an elephant being electrocuted.